Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I brought you guys a master bathroom clean with me motivation. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. So, first thing I do when I'm cleaning my bathroom is spraying my bathroom so I can let it sit and I can come back and clean and wash everything. So usually I would use the Kaboom in the shower, and then I would also use that in the bathtub. But today I'm just gonna be using the Kaboom in the shower because we took a couple of shower after I cleaned the shower. So when we moved in the house, I already washed and cleaned the bathroom, but because today I'm gonna be adding some mats and some curtains and things like that, a little decoration. So I wanted to refresh the bathroom before I jump in and start putting these things.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. The light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
What do you guys do first when you cleaning your bathroom? I just want to see because me, I would take out the trash, take all the trash out, and start spraying the bathroom. In this case, I really didn't have any trash in the bathroom, so I just start spraying the bathroom. What do you do first that makes the bathroom feel clean and easy to clean?
I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't.
So now that everything is all clean, I'm gonna start putting things where they belong. So this is my husband's side. I'm gonna start putting his things in his medicine cabinet, and then in this drawer here I'll put all his Invisalign things. So that's what I'll just be doing around the bathroom. Just put things where they belong, and then I'll give you guys a small little tour after I'm done putting everything away.
Need more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time, yeah. day won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need.
Alright, you guys, so let me give you guys a little tour of the bathroom. So new things, I added this curtains there. So these all the bathroom stuff, I got them at Walmart. So if you go this way, this is my side. So I put a little flower here, and then these things. I think these are like for makeup brushes and stuff, but I want to use it as bathroom things. So I have my Q-tips in here, and I have my floss in here, and then my perfume. If you open this, it's like a little storage. If you open this, it's like a little storage to put your rings and your jewelry. So I thought that was really cool. I can do that here. Take off my jewelry before I go shower and just store them in here. And these are the two perfumes I'm liking. Alright, and then these are the medicine cabinet. I don't have much in it. I have like my contact stuff, facial, and things like that. Alright, I need to add little towels here, and I couldn't find jet black towels. Like I need it to be this black. I couldn't find. I put this garbage can in here. I had this chair from my beauty room when I in the other house, but so for now I leave it here. We'll see. And then if you turn this way, this is just the toilet. I just add a small mat here, and I put this little basket here, just for now. And then I found these mats. They were so cute. One says spa and bath. I love them. I think they're so cute. And then they are so thick too. They are so fluffy. So I thought this would be good for when we're getting out the shower. And then shower here. These curtains are so cute. I wasn't gonna add a curtain here, but because they already had the rods, I said, you know what, let me just put those curtains here. And I think they're so cute there, matching with the black theme. And in the bathtub, I need towels here too for the bathtub. I need to get those white hotel towels for here. And then I need to get black ones for there for my husband to use. And this is his sink. This is his sink. He loved jet black. He loved black. So, and specifically matte. When I saw these, I was like, oh my God, he's gonna love these so much because they are matte. And then the dispenser, and then the soap thing where I put the soap bars, the soap. I put his perfume here, floss, and then things that he washes his teeth in his Invisalign. And I put these little things right here for him. And then Invisalign goes in here. And then I had this mirror in this other house because they have like the little black thing under around the handle. I just put it there for him. I thought he would like that. And then I added the black mat on here. So an overview of the place.